HAMAM has an exclusive methodology aiming to optimizing the implementation process. We select the most suitable for each project. We transform the specification book into a detailed spreadsheet with product quantities and their respective suppliers in their corresponding areas. HAMAM team will develop a schedule for the model room for owner's review, as well as installation. After that, HAMAM team will develop a schedule for the entire hotel. Prior to the installation, HAMAM team will create a checklist by area for the construction GC items. With the ongoing work, HAMAM team will coordinate delivery and installation of all items. HAMAM has developed an FF&E OS&E procurement software, which allows for monitoring the progress of the project with weekly update reports. We then complete the installation, generating a checklist per area along with the client and operator. But the work is not over, as we also present and deliver all the product manuals and warranties along with the spec book. We briefly talked about all phases of HAMAM hospitality project, promoting success in the hotel opening.